Hey, this is usually not how I start my videos. And I know you're wondering, is this what it is? But yes, it is a male body part. But I wanted to bring attention to the hair on the legs. So, you know what we're gonna do, right? We're gonna wax it. So, without further ado, let's get them thighs waxed.
Oh, no. Hell no.
Seriously?
Oh, shit. Oh. 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 That's all?
Yeah.
Oh, God. It's the hair right there that hurts. It hurts. Oh, God, how much more? Oh, how the fuck do people be doing this shit?
I don't think so.